Okay, so we just left the Grand Cayman. As you see, we got that beautiful sunset behind us.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Cute.
And what are we doing now for the rest of the evening? What's our plans?
They have a pirate show, and then the pirate fireworks at 10:15.
10:15.
Our dinner is at 8:15. We're second seating, so it's 8:15. So it's great because we have dinner and then we go off to the fireworks.
Yeah,
So
that's going to be awesome.
Perfect.
So we already have our pirate themed shirts.
I
There you go.
am. He's a pirate. I'm Captain Minnie.
There you go.
So once again, we're at sea, so the shops are open, and guess where we're going? Shopping!
Exactly. We got a couple of shops here, Sea Treasures and Mickey's Main Sale. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, and she's looking for a jacket, and this is the first one that she was able to get her hands on. I like that color.
All right.
Yes, it's really cute. It reminds me of the Tiana shirt you had on today.
Yep.
You try it on?
Yeah, just in case.
Okay.
Just to be sure, because
You never know. How did it fit?
I need a bigger size.
Okay.
Sometimes women need bigger sizes.
Okay, well, we can ask.
Oh, poor you, baby. Oh, honey. You had to see it, did you?
That is not the purse you're looking for. Not the purse you're looking for. And not the purse you are looking for. She doesn't want to let it go.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go with you. Just hold on to that. Okay? Hold on to that thought.
And it's got these are all the signatures that they are on the boats.
Yep. Oh. We found a pop socket that says Disney Cruise Line, and of course is coming home with us. They also sell here these, and it's for Apple case. They have luggage tags, as you can see. The boat is moving, so I'm sorry if it's shaky. Lanyards and all sorts of fun stuff for you to buy.
This is always so cool. You come into your room and you always find these characters. And today being Pirate Night, check this out. It's got his eyes are made out of gold coins. And dead man tell no tale. That is awesome. These guys are awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. How many, please?
Thank you.
Table number, please.
Yeah, 124. 124. then Gil's all excited because what was there on the menu?
They have chilled mango soup
Yes.
with passion fruit, ginger, and coconut. Like, my mouth is watering just thinking about it.
Okay, so let me show the menu here for you guys. Look at that, all those goodies. And I'll probably look like I'm going to have some shrimp for myself. And the other's going to have that chilled mango soup. And here are the main courses. And you can see everybody's dressed up as pirates, including the waiters, which is really cool. And this scene, if you guys cannot guess it, is from Peter Pan, actually.
Yeah, Peter Pan.
There's Captain Hook with Mr. Smee.
Picture of the Pirates of the Caribbean dinner day.
There's another photo of that skeleton here from as they're getting close to it. Drawings that they did for Peter Pan. Look how cool. And here's some of the bread servers that they gave us.
Yeah.
The mango, right? You said it had mango also?
Yeah, it's like a mango. Hold on.
Yeah, it's like a
Mango dip. It's
Okay.
a mango dip.
Go ahead and give it a try.
No,
No, you don't want?
no, I don't know. What if
Okay.
it's spicy?
I'll try it then. That's fine. I'll
you
try
can
it.
try
I'll
it
try
for
it.
me.
And then for drinks, Gilda's going to go with the Pearl.
Medication suck.
Medication sucks. And then I'm gonna have the Pirate's Deathbed. I'm gonna let her sip off a little bit of mine because we are all friends. So yeah, there you go. What do you think of this?
It's a milkshake. It's like a milkshake.
Okay.
A nice milkshake. Very thick. Let's find out.
I'm gonna try that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that one. Eye opener.
Good luck.
Okay, that's fine. Yes. Good stuff. Nice and tangy and nice and strong.
Never gonna get out of here. We do. And I was like, no, leave it like that. I love it.
And here's mine. It's in there. A couple shrimp there hugging each other.
So yeah, two of the pictures.
Here is mine. And I actually ordered the same thing that Gilda, but Gilda ordered with the sauce on the side, so it's on its way.
No worries. You're good.
Here's hers with the sauce on the side.
Oh no, it's drinks. After dinner drinks.
Oh, after dinner drinks, and then on the other side you got the after dinner drinks. Here's the sundae. Look at that.
Yes.
Okay.
The fingers are too small to cut it. Okay, no worries. The next time I show another match. Okay? Tomorrow will be an interesting match. Okay?
Okay, so we're now waiting for 10:15 for the pirate show, and then hopefully right after this we should get some fireworks coming up right over here on this side. So yeah, we're now waiting. I'll show you how windy it is tonight. Look at those windows; they're shaking all over the place.
You come to the wrong place. Tonight, ye be traveling in mysterious waters. Waters once owned by tales of plenty of pirates and the ones who hunted them. Some say when the night is right and the sea is willing, these scoundrels will once again sail the seas.
Ahoy there and welcome aboard! We're BB Pirates! your name? Pirate Carson. Carson, where are you from? From Kentucky. Yes. All right, Pirate Carson from Kentucky. What color would your ship be? Not sure that could have gone any better.
Somewhere.
Captain Jack! Hold up!
Oh! Hey! Captain, it's you!
Of course it's me. Who are you?
What? We're your crew. You know, Marie, Anchor Jim and Doc, Dirty Dad.
Oh, yes. Now I remember. Where are all they?
They wish to be your new shipmates, Captain! Aye, they be a fine lot.
I think you might not be the judge of that. I've been eating their cake at home. What?
Careful! Captain, no! Captain! Please,
Watch yourself,
steady.
Captain. We're gonna find
Oh,
you.
yes, I'm steady.
It's too fast, Captain. Hey, Captain, he's up there! Oh, Captain! Up he goes. Look at Captain. He's got it! He's got it!
Maybe not on that side, huh? Now then.
Rises brave, and up she rises.
Thank you. So much said, Jeff. Say aye.
Aye!
Are you all truly worthy? Praise the Lord. Pirate's life. Welcome aboard.
Celebratory song, ready for our very own Captain Jack Sparrow!
Thank you. Thank you. Now, who amongst all of you would like something a little more flashy?
The sea's been kind today, but who can tell what lies ahead? Here's luck and a fair wind to you. And remember, dead men tell no tales.
That was perfection.
I don't think we're gonna stay for the dance party, right?
Okay guys, now there's a step that everybody usually doesn't cover, which is actually the laundry, because in some of the longer stays of the cruises you want to know how to do the laundry and where it is and stuff like that. So there's a couple of laundry places throughout the ship. Most of them are in the front of the ship, and there's a couple that are in the back, but we're going to pick the one that's actually on our floor, which is 7, and I'm going to show you the room here. So let's go inside and show you the laundry. Okay, so this is one of the laundry rooms that they have here, and the way it works is you have the dryer on the top and you got the washer on the bottom, but you got the 2 scanning machines in the middle. And what you got to do is you got to come to a kiosk like this, which is where then you'll scan your card and you will pick what you want to buy. For example, I'll go ahead and scan my card, and you can purchase tokens. You can view the tokens that you have, and you can actually return the ones that you haven't used. So here you're going to pick, for example, the wash cycle, which is the washer, and then the dryer, which is the dry cycle, and the laundry product, which is the one that's right here to the left. You can of course bring your own detergent if you want to. And these are the brands that they have. And once you do that, you come here and you select how many wash cycles you want to buy. In this case, let's say we just want to do 1 and 1. And then, of course, obviously, your wash cycle is going to be just the washer, and then the dryer is going to be the dryer. You're going to do it 2 separate instances. To give you an idea of the times, here are the times for each of the cycles. In this case, this is the washer, and then this is the dryer. And pretty straightforward. The instructions are pretty easy. Once you do that, you'll come here, and let's say you want to use this washer, which is open. You would scan your card here in the washer. and you put in your stuff here. It's pretty small, but you can still shove a lot of stuff in there. And then you literally press the button here. You gotta leave it pressed for 6 seconds for it to turn on, and then it'll give you the option to push which cycle you want. In the case of 1 to 4, you'll see that you'll be able to pick if you want the heavy wash, if you want the normal wash, which type of wash, and the different types. In the case of the heavy wash, you'll see that you can do it at 140 temperature or 140 degrees, or if you want to do the normal wash, you can do it at 105, and obviously that depends the time. Now the cool thing is that you will receive a message to your phone once it's done, so you don't have to wait here. Then once that's done, you can move your stuff up into a dryer or whichever dryer you want. And then using the same procedure, which is where you scan your card here, and you put the dryer, and then you can, once you put the thing on the card, it will automatically turn on, and you have this option to select which is the program that you want. In this case, dry, extra dry. And again, coming back here to the list, you can pick which is the type of thing that you want. They all cost the same no matter which program you select. Also in this room, you'll see you have actually 2 iron boards, and you have here, these are free of charge, so you're more than welcome to, basically plug them in, set the time that you want to use on them, and the temperature, and here's the water in case you want to spray it. So this is all again, those are complimentary. And then as for the times, it's actually open for 24 hours, so you can come anytime, but they do tell you to be mindful from the guests from 10 to 8. You got here a area in case you want to do the folding.